Hey campers, check out the GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Dualist Backcountry mess kit designed for 2 people. This set includes a durable 1.8-liter stainless steel pot with a lid that doubles as a strainer for easy cooking. You'll also get 2 20-ounce wide-mouth mugs with insulated sleeves and sip-it lids, plus 2 20-ounce bowls and foldable sporks called fooms. The lockable double-bail handles let you fill, carry, and strain pots safely while saving space on your stove. Everything nests compactly inside the pot, with room left for your fuel canister. Silicone thumb pads protect your hands from heat, making cooking safer and more comfortable. With over 30 years of experience, GSI Outdoors guarantees this kit for life against manufacturing defects. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.